Exterior looks really good. All this concrete looks real good. Driveway is freaking enormous. I just really think this was some old folks that moved out really recently. But I mean, everything seems like it's in good shape. The street's actually better than I thought too, as far as neighbors. And I did check, there is no hardwood floor under there. So it's just this beautiful carpet. I mean, that's all in great shape. Nothing wrong with those appliances. The countertops, kitchen is good. Windows are good. Not a whole lot of light, obviously. So I guess they had a stove there at one point. Nice little shed patio. Neighbors take care of their stuff. Not a huge bedroom, but it could work. Fairly small, I guess. There's some hardwood in this bedroom. So maybe it's in the bedrooms. It goes in the hallway. I don't know where it ends. Because there's definitely not hardwood under when I pulled that vent up. I mean, that's just subfloor down here. Attic fan, gotta love that. Only one bathroom might be a little tricky. Bad boy. And so maybe some water damage on this carpet. I would say yes. Humidifier running. So where's the water coming from? There's your other full bath. That bad boy. Furnace and water, you look pretty good. Only a stab block that needs to be updated. So that'll be real fun. Turn that wall out just to update the panel. And there's some type of sub panel. It's probably for the garage, but it's a stab block also. So this must have been where the old washer and dryer was. I mean, I wonder if this was even just the gutters weren't cleaned out. But you can definitely see some softness. Looks like this was all wet, really wet at one point. It doesn't smell that bad down here, honestly, which is kind of bizarre. An old intercom. It's kind of fun. Yeah, so I guess you'd have to tear those walls out and find out where all that water's coming from. But they probably need to be tore out anyway. A couple feet up the way at least, I imagine. As far as the upstairs goes, that's rocking. Wouldn't take much to get this back in shape. Check out the garage. So you notice there is no garage entrance from the house. That's kind of annoying, but and maybe check out the roof. Yeah, I mean, that front gutter is just jammed, so I wouldn't doubt if they're all. The roof actually looks decent. So obviously this is an add-on. This looks way newer, but nice big garage. That tree is pretty ridiculous. There you go, 932 Gus Stain, St. Charles, 63301.